Rivers State Governor Simeon Fubara don announce plans by your administration to set up panel wey go do check on top the governance of the state. Governor Fubara yarned this one after swearing in Dangogo Iboroma as the Attorney General of the state shortly after the Victor Okonjobo-led House of Assembly screened and confirmed the Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Oga Fubara tok say the situation for the state dey critical as e dey obvious say dem no go fit settle the political crisis. E come accuse im opponents say dem deliberately dey destroy administration while im dey hope say dem fit settle the matter peacefully. E come vow say going forward im go make tough decisions even though say e go affect some people badly. Fubara come also chook mouth on top the comments made by former Attorney General Professor Zaccheaus Adango, SAN, and im counterpart for the Ministry of Works, Alabo George Kelly. Im tok say,
I feel very happy that this is happening today to mark the beginning of a new era. When I said that I had a reason for being patient, it was because I know that we are all from one family. And if we have a disagreement, no matter how bad it is, it should be resolved. But it has become very clear that this disagreement, there is no headway to it. And for a lot of reasons, there are very, very visible evidence that there is sabotage, deliberate attempt to sabotage this administration. For that reason, we have to move forward. Yes. And moving forward, if it means taking decisions that is going to hurt anybody, I'm happy that you're already a son before coming in. It means that you must have been a thorough man. It's not the one that while you're here, they now pay money to give you son. When you become the son, the only thing you do is to sabotage government. Like I said, you will get your reward, not in next world, this world. Let me also say this. You have a big tax. As it is today, in the local parliament, they said the jungle has matured. We will be setting a panel of inquiry to investigate the affair of governance. If in 2010, I was a chief accountant level 13, those of you who know the civil service, where will I be before 2023? So when you see people, because you want to impress your paymaster, you talk carelessly. I won't reduce myself to that kind of talk. Yes, I am the only governor in this state that, in the whole federation, where local government chairman will come and abuse, I take it. But I wish them well. I wish them well because even if it's a mistake, by the special grace of God, I'm here today.
Yes.
God doesn't make mistakes.
At all. Not a mistake.
And let me also appeal to them. Let them continue to make mistakes.
Making enough forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk 'em. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.